Hey everyone, this is Ahmad, and welcome back to CodeBooks Academy. Today's episode is all about getting market insights instantly using AI. Validate features in minutes, not weeks. No big research budgets, no surveys, no delays. Let's get into it. Let's be honest, traditional market research is slow, expensive, and outdated. From planning surveys to analyzing responses, it can take weeks and cost thousands. By the time results come in, your competitors may already be ahead. With AI, you don't need weeks or agencies. Tools like GPT, Browse AI, or ChatGPT Plugins can extract trends from user reviews in minutes. You get fast, relevant, and real-time insights that help you decide smarter. Let's say you're exploring a new calendar feature. Instead of guessing what to build, you prompt GPT to analyze thousands of reviews from tools like Calendly or Outlook. In seconds, it tells you what users hate: confusing setup, lack of integrations, and poor mobile experience. Now you're not building in the dark, you're building on insight. With AI, research goes from weeks to minutes. You don't just save time, you reduce risk, avoid guesswork, and prioritize based on real needs. You'll build smarter, faster, and more confidently without waiting on traditional methods. Want to try this out? Drop your top 10 features into GPT, or use a tool like Browse AI to scan competitor reviews. Let AI surface what your users are really saying. And if this helped, comment your favorite tool. Subscribe and catch episode 4, Customer Personas with AI.